Hello, FC Mobile. I'm gonna open some packs and let's hope we get something great. This is the last week of the captain event. I don't need to open any pack because I could just wait for the upcoming event. But I want some coins. I don't want to go for anything good. What if I get a 109? What do I do with a 109? So I don't think I want to go for this. Even though this is a very good choice. Yeah. I mean, let me try. Hey, please, I'm begging you. Don't let it be 109, 109, 109. W, hell, oh, fudge. I don't need a striker. Damn it. Believable. I could wait for tomorrow and get this guy again. Let's see. 500. I don't know. Let me wait. Let me wait. I'll get this tomorrow. Yep. Bye. Yep. We bought the daily booster. So let's hope we get something good. EA Sports. Please, please, please. I'm begging you. Please don't not be a 109. Yes! W. Big W. Yes. I wish I got a goalkeeper. I would have rather got a Benzema than a Son. They won't give you a Son. They know. It's okay. Or Bale. That's all. I'm good. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.